Yo, what's going on, you guys? Today I'm going to be talking about how you should contact influencers and how you get them to reply back, because most of the good influencers don't actually reply back because they have so many DMs, so many people DMing them. So you gotta stand out from the crowd. And it's actually 4:16 a.m. right now, so I'm really tired, so I just want to make it short, sweet, and simple. But anyways, you start off with a huge title. So what you're gonna do is have like emojis. Maybe you can have the money emoji, maybe the fire emoji, and then have paid promotion or business inquiry, whatever it is, and then just have it all in caps. So when the influencer is going through their DMs, they can see the paid promotion standing out, and they'll be more likely to click it, just like clickbait, making a thumbnail, whatever it is. And then from there, you can just be professional about it. This is my exact template. If you guys want to copy it, then go ahead. I'll leave it down in the description below. But just do hello, how much for a 12-hour paid promotion. It could be 24 hours. Maybe you do 2x 24 hours post. So maybe like you buy 2 posts, whatever it is. You have that, and then with our link in bio, make sure you say that, because without the link in bio, it's useless. And that's pretty much it. You just thank them for taking the time out for reading this, and make sure you say you look forward to working with them, because that shows that you're actually serious and you want to buy it as soon as possible. So yeah, just make sure you have a clickbait, and then what you can do from there is, if they don't reply, you can comment on their post saying that you have a business query and tell them to check their DMs, and then they'll be more likely to check their DMs. And let's say they don't reply even after that, then you can change up the emoji and put business inquiry. So just switch it up a bit so that the influencers know that you're serious. And when you contact him again, maybe you can have business inquiry with the money sign, and then just say, hello, I'm following up on my question, thank you. So following up is really important, so don't just give up if they don't reply in 1 day or whatever, and they don't reply in 2 days. Keep working on it, keep messaging them daily. That's what I do. I just keep messaging them, all of them, daily. And again, make sure you have a lot of influencers, because some influencers just don't reply even after sending them tons of DMs. So just make sure you have tons of influencers, and just keep finding new ones while you wait for the replies. Just in case the old ones don't reply, you can have the new ones and maybe they'll reply. But yeah guys, it's a really short video, but it's a really important one, because it is really frustrating to not get a reply back from an influencer, especially when you have a product ready and everything ready. And also when you're running out of the Shopify trial, you really want to get the influencer to reply back so you can start selling and making money before the trial ends, so you can pay for the subscription. So yeah guys, subscribe if you're new, and turn on post notifications, because apparently the YouTube doesn't push videos to the subscription box anymore. And leave a like. Let's try to go for 10 likes. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it. Bye.